Hi, I'm really glad you're here. Let's take a moment together before we get into anything else. Just relax your shoulders a little, unclench your jaw, and let yourself arrive exactly as you are. You don't need to be on. You don't need to understand everything. You're safe to just listen. You know, we hear the word vibe thrown around a lot. People say, protect your energy or raise your vibration. And sometimes it can sound vague or even a little dismissive. But the truth is, your energy isn't imaginary. It isn't just a mood. It's something real that lives in and around you. Your body is constantly generating an electromagnetic field, quietly, naturally, interacting with the world around you all day long. And every emotion you feel, every thought you return to, gently shapes that field. Have you ever walked into a room and felt something immediately before anyone spoke? Or sat next to someone who felt calming without knowing why? That's not in your head. That's energy. And here's the tender part. Your emotions carry frequency. When you feel moments of love, gratitude, calm, or even quiet contentment, your body settles into a higher, smoother rhythm. Not better in a judgmental way, just more supportive, more regulated, more at ease. And when you're stressed, afraid, overwhelmed, or carrying old emotional weight, your system tightens. The rhythm becomes jagged, protective. Neither state makes you wrong. They're simply signals. I like to think of it like tuning a radio. When you're close to the station, the music plays clearly. When you're off, there's static, not because the song disappeared, but because the signal needs adjusting. And one of the most beautiful parts of this is your heart. Your heart isn't just emotional, it's powerful. It generates a field far stronger than your brain's, and it responds instantly to how you feel. When you experience appreciation, gentleness, love, even briefly, your heart's rhythm becomes smooth and coherent. And when you're under stress or fear, it reflects that too. Your heart is always communicating with your body, listening, responding. This is why mindset isn't just mental. It becomes physical. It's why the placebo effect exists, why belief alone can spark real change in the body. Your system is always paying attention to what you return to emotionally. And I want to say this softly. Raising your vibration does not mean forcing positivity. It doesn't mean pretending you're okay when you're not. It means supporting yourself with kindness. Sometimes that looks like stepping outside and letting nature regulate you. Sometimes it's slowing your breath. Sometimes it's choosing food that feels nourishing. Sometimes it's movement. Sometimes it's simply choosing not to engage with what drains you. Small choices matter. Gentle choices compound. And if something in this feels familiar, if it's resonating quietly in your body right now, you can simply tap like on this video. Not as an obligation, just as a soft moment of agreement. A little nod that says, yes, this feels true. Your energy is always broadcasting, like a personal signal moving through the world. And when your system is supported, when your nervous system feels safe, clarity flows more easily. You respond instead of react. You notice different things. You feel more anchored in yourself. Your vibration isn't something you're chasing. It's something you're learning to tend. If this space feels like something you want more of, a place where you can slow down, relax, and reconnect with yourself, I'd love for you to subscribe to Dream with Intent. This is a gentle corner where we explore inner knowing, healing, and growth together at a pace that honors you. Thank you for spending this moment with me. Take what you need and leave the rest. This is Seraphina, a name I write under to reflect the essence, heart, and purpose behind this space within Dream with Intent. Thank you for being here. I'll see you again soon.